Here are 3 must-plant seeds or starts for August in Zone 7, A or B, and even Zone 8A. Number 1 is carrots. We have ours started already. You can see it right here. And it takes 80 to 90 days to get those going. We use dampers and containers. They don't get so long, and we get good production from that. Number 2 is cabbage. That takes a little longer, 100 days, but it's frost hardy. It's all good to go. We have some seeds started. Here's some right here, in fact. We're growing, I think it's called a Tierra F1. It's resistant to a lot of different things. It's not resistant to groundhogs, apparently. Anyway, cabbage is, that's a very stable thing. If you like it, start that now. And number 3 is your lettuce. Get the lettuce rolling. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. As you can see here, we've got Merlot. There's a mesclun mix in there, actually. Arctic King, that's winter hardy. Some butter, crunch, some romaine, whatever you want. Just make sure you look at the dates and if they're frost hardy. And for some additional tips, check out this video I'm going to put right here. Lots of people watch this video. It's for what you can plant in August. It's a little longer, but still gets to the point and has some more nuances to the suggestions, like adding cucumbers or whatnot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.